In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go back in Pixlr. If you've ever made a change to your image in Pixlr and immediately thought, I didn't mean to do that, this tutorial is for you. We're going to look at the simplest ways to undo your last action so you can quickly get back to where you were and keep editing with confidence. First, make sure you already have an image or a project open inside the Pixlr editor. This could be a photo you've just uploaded or a design you're currently working on. The undo options we'll talk about only work on changes you've already made in the open project, so you'll want to have something on your canvas. The quickest way to go back or undo in Pixlr is by using a keyboard shortcut. If you're on Windows or another system with a standard keyboard, press Ctrl and Z together. If you're on a Mac, press Command and Z. As soon as you do that, Pixlr will undo your most recent action. For example, if you just applied a filter, resized an element, or painted over part of your image, using this shortcut will revert that last step immediately. You can usually press this shortcut multiple times to keep going back through your recent edits, as long as Pixlr still has those actions stored in its history. This makes it really fast to correct mistakes or compare how your image looked before and after a few changes. Just remember that if you go back too far, you might undo changes you actually liked, so use it with a bit of awareness. Now, if you don't like using keyboard shortcuts, or you're on a device where they're not convenient, there's another easy option. Look toward the top of the Pixlr window and find the main menu bar. Up there, click on the Edit menu. A drop-down list will appear, and one of the options you'll see is Undo. Go ahead and click Undo to go back one step in your editing history, just like the keyboard shortcut would. Both methods do the same thing. They reverse your latest change. The shortcut is great if you want speed and like keeping your hands on the keyboard, while the edit menu option is perfect if you prefer clicking or you're still learning the program and want to see the options clearly. And that's it. Once you know these two simple ways to go back in Pixlr, you can edit much more confidently, knowing that any mistake can be quickly undone.